Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Capterra reviews for your site in Webflow. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description on a link you see. When you're going to be here, you want to click on sign up for free. Elsight is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is Capterra reviews. So create an account with the Gmail, with the Facebook, whatever, and then just click login here. In login, you will see applications, and you want to write here Capterra. When you're gonna see it, you can see here like Capterra reviews, create a widget. And when you're gonna have it, you can see it here, the Capterra URL, you just add it here. And you get like reviews, you can change the style and everything. Now just click save. And now you need to choose between the plans. I recommend going with the basic or pro if your site get more views, or if you're starting out, choose the light version. Also get all applications, but we will get to it in the end of the video. So let's choose the light version. And let's copy the code here. When you have code, you want to click here on plus. Now what you want to do is just find a code component and paste it to container. I recommend adding container only because the one thing, when you're gonna add container here, it will be like centered to the middle, not to the left. Because if you just add a code for your site, it will be aligned to the left. So when you have it, click publish, publish to selected domains. And let's see how it looks like. And now you can see it, perfect. Perfect Capterra ratings and reviews for your site in Webflow. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. So also, I definitely recommend checking all the applications you see here. If you like some, if some of them are like, do you think like you would use them? I don't know, WhatsApp chat, Facebook feed, Twitter feed, Instagram feed, whatever, radio player, search, contact feed, etc., pop-ups. So what you can do is just choose like Pro pack for $36 a month, or go with the basic pack for $18 a month. It's also potential. And that's probably it. So thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day. Thank you and goodbye.